Alright, so next we want to use limits to find f prime of x. So we're going to use limit h goes to 0 of f x plus h minus f of x all over h. So our f of x plus h will just be a negative 8, and it'll be x plus h. And then minus f of x will be minus the negative 8x all over h. H goes to 0. So it'll be a negative 8x minus 8h. Minus a negative becomes a plus 8x all over h. Positive 8x and negative 8x will cancel each other out, leaving us with the limit as h goes to 0 of negative 8h divided by h. And so we divide out the h, and that just leaves us with the negative 8. And so even if you were to plug in a 0 for h, we don't have any more, so that would just leave us with a negative 8. Alright, so this next one we want to use, let's make this a little bit bigger. We're going to use and match the graphs of a through d with the functions of a through c of their derivatives. And so we can see these lines, and the first one corresponds to a. So if we look at a, we go through a point here, 1. So our rise over run is 1 over 2, so look, we get a slope of 1/2. So I will be looking for a graph that has a horizontal line that's constant at 1/2. So C looks to be about at 1/2 if each of these is 1 unit. So I would say A matches with C. And then if we go back up, the graph of B is this red line. Looks like down 1, right 1. So a negative 1 slope. If we look at these graphs below, capital B is the one that looks like a negative 1 slope. If we look at C, C is the black line. That slope looks like to be up 1, right 1. So a slope of 1. That also looks the same as D. If I'm just kind of looking ahead, up 1, those look like parallel lines. So both of those have a slope of 1. And the only one that's left is A, so A will match with both C and D. They have the same slope.